Hey everyone, check this out. This new fish head recipe is trending online. Almost no one has tried it yet. It's spicy, tangy, and great for savoring both the meat and the soup. Prepare the big head carp by scoring the flesh behind the fish for better cooking and flavor. Add green onions, ginger, and a tablespoon of salt to water and marinate the fish head for 30 minutes. This removes the earthy smell and makes the fish tender and tasty. Heat oil in a pan, add ginger, garlic, and chili, and stir fry until fragrant. Share cooking tips daily with care. Please give a little heart to support Shama. Thanks a lot. Pour in some boiling water to season and add a sour soup mix packet. Put the marinated fish head in the pot with soft tofu and enoki mushrooms. Cover and simmer on high for 10 minutes. This makes the fish head spicy and tangy. The meat's tender and tasty, perfect with rice. Once you learn it, give it a try.